take you over, you just can't breathe. Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel...
Welcome to the lovely glitter tier tutorial. So starting off with our primed eyelid, we're pretty much just going to be using our fingers for the majority of this video. So I just used a lot of different fun colored highlighters that I have and really just placed them randomly all over my eyelid, so that way I had a fun kind of almost oil spill effect. It didn't show up too well on camera, which was a little upsetting, so I added a little bit of this blue eyeshadow, and I thought that kind of provided a nice contrast. Now you get to watch me struggle with my eyeliner for a hot second. I was doing well with it, and then it just went downhill. So I'm going to shut up for a moment, and you can watch this and my struggling, and hopefully not judge me too horribly. So I was also kind of dragging down the eyeliner a little bit towards my lower lash line to just kind of give it a nice cohesive look. And look at that! I finally finished my eyeliner. Now I'm using my finger to spread the glitter primer on. Just be warned that you don't want to get the glitter too close to your eye. And when you're applying it, I recommend using a small either paintbrush or eyeshadow brush, licking the end of it, not the bristled end, but the hard end, so don't use a double-sided brush. And go ahead and just dip it right into your glitter. If you are intending to take this off rather quickly after putting it on, just don't use glitter. This is overall a very gorgeous look, and I was really feeling it. And this is a fun kind of night out for the clubs kind of look. You know, you can add lashes or whatever. So I'm excited to see what you guys do. Have fun. Bye.